Let's check out this awesome travel bag from BOYATU. I've seen others this shape, but this quality is far superior just in terms of the material and the different components and the zippers. Also, good luck picking a color or a pattern because they come in so many cute ones. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's take a look at the inside. As you can see, it's 3 pieces. It's got 2 bags on either side, plus all of these different areas where you can store brushes and different things like that. You can also fit a whole bottle in here. So this is one of the separate bags, and I'm just taking it out to show you. It's got Velcro on the bottom, which is really, really handy. So you can either use these outside of the bag or keep them in the bag like this. But there's just so many pockets, and it's amazing how much this thing can actually fit once you zip it all up. So let's just see, when you close it, you just kind of fold it together and zip it up, and it works so great. And it's just so cute and also just such high quality for the price. This is such a fun thing to gift as well, because again, it comes in so many cute colors.